Shweta,
Hello,
are you there?
everyone.
Thank you.
Lovely to see everyone again on this call, and I appreciate how religiously you all join this call, attend this meeting. And of course, this gives you new information every time. Today, you also got to see, I'm sure that some of you seen the Forex office already, but those of you who didn't, you got a chance again today to see the Forex office. Also, very important that I want to mention is that we have a scheduled maintenance for 2 hours, and you must have gotten the posters and all already. And the notification was there in back office also. So we've got updates going on for 2 hours because we're bringing on new things. Soon enough, you will have accelerator available as well. And we're really, really looking. I know that all of you are extremely excited for that, and so am I. So really looking forward to that. But also, most importantly, we're approaching 2026, and we're going to start 2026 with our great event that's going to happen on the first quarter of this year 2026, and that's going to be in March. So if you haven't booked your tickets already, make sure you do that, because with Tony and Ash doing rounds all around the world, the tickets are selling like hotcakes. So soon enough, I mean, the place is already booked. It's for 2,000 people. So once the tickets are sold out, they're sold out. We won't be able to accommodate more people, maybe in the next event. But talk to everybody who's been to the Barcelona event and ask them about the experience, even though it was a very exclusive, small event. Thailand event is going to be bigger and better. And especially, I think everyone's aim should be to qualify as a diamond so that you can get into diamond retreat, because that is something that you can't buy. You cannot buy your way into, unless like you're a tycoon, you buy a tycoon package and become a part of diamond retreat. But otherwise, you have to be a diamond, a black diamond, or a crown diamond between December and 15th of March in order to go to the diamond retreat. And trust me, it's going to be a hell of an experience. We've got so many other things planned, as Ash and Tony both mentioned. With Forex, people are already making so much money, but it's extremely important, it's imperative that you understand the forex market, you understand how it functions in order to be able to make money from it. And that's why every alternate day we have Zoom call at 7 p.m. UK time for Forex, to give you in-depth information, understanding how the market works, to make sure that you have the knowledge you need in order to make money from this industry. It's a huge, most liquid industry in the world. As Ash just mentioned, it's about like 8 or 9 trillion a day. That's insane amount of money. So you can always, always, always make money from this market, because understand that every time that a deal happens, somebody makes money. We want to make sure that you are the one making money on any deal that happens in the forex market. And there are ways to do that. You need to work and think how institutions think. And the best part is, you don't have to trade yourself. If you're not a trader, nobody's forcing you to trade yourself. You can just copy a good trader and still make money. And I'm sure that today you're going to learn a lot more about it. All I want to say is that keep your focus on. It's extremely important to be focused, because this platform, XAB, is going to bring you multiple streams of income. That is our commitment to you, which means that you don't have to look here or there and actually divide your attention, because when you're in multiple boats at the same time, it's very difficult to write for a long time. So make sure that you have your focused on. This is one platform where you'll get multiple streams of income, and this will not only lead you to wealth generation, which is our goal, but also wealth management. And especially with the forex, you will also look at wealth management. You will also learn the principles of wealth management, not just wealth generation. So with that, I will pass it back to Ash. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Shweta, for your amazing intro. Okay, so this is the criteria, the schedule for this Zoom call. We're going to go through a quick compensation plan for ZAP, not the introduction. After, we will be inviting the amazing award winning super lady Magda, because we have, the last couple of days ago, she won the best Forex of year 2025 and 26, number one company. They won the award and she won the top influencer, financial influencer for 2026. So Magda will be joining us. Then we will have our amazing master trader coming in, world renowned, and he will guide us. So at this moment, guys, let's go through the ZAP presentation, which is the compensation plan and how to register for Avora Markets from ZAP back office. Okay, so Angels, over to you. Let's start with the ZAP presentation. And Queenie, can you please make me host, please, so I can control all the questions and answers later on? Thank you. Over to you, Angels.
Awesome. I'll step in while Queenie's getting set up. Great intro there, Tony. Ash, Sweta, beautiful leadership from you guys. And we're so appreciative for all of the hard work that you guys are doing around the world to make each of us successful in that. So, Queenie, whenever you're ready, I'm ready for you.
Thank you.
I'm just
Thank you,
looking for
Robin.
Queenie. Queenie, are you a co-host already? Queenie? I'm just making Queenie co-host. Please just give me 1 minute because she can concentrate on the Zoom. Uh, let me see. Okay. Queenie, your co-host. Let's rock this. Thank you.
Thank you. Amazing. Just hold up for a sec. Let me just set up. I'll just share with our amazing family. Oh, there goes that one. There goes that one. Where is the presentation? Here we go. Okay. Let me just do this.
Guys, meanwhile, invite. Let's get these people to over 100 plus, guys. And this is going to be a life-changing opportunity. Queenie, let's go.
No worries. Well, g'day and talofa, everyone. My name is Queenie Doyle from Sydney, and I really appreciate each and every one of you guys here. Now, it is our CEO call, so I'm just going to briefly go through the ZAB compensation plan because we've got such wonderful guests that are here through Avora, as well as our corporate joining us on the Zoom as well. So let's get that going. Now, let's dive into one of the most powerful ways that I believe that we can grow within the ZAB Club, and that is our affiliate program, amplified by our XRP AI bot. Now, this isn't just a one income stream. We're talking through the program, you can have 4 active ways that you can earn. Your rewards come from multiple angles, your own activity, the people you bring in, and the network you build, all working together to multiply your results. What makes it really unique is the mix of automation and community. The bot runs tirelessly in the background, and every referral you bring in gets amplified by your network. So it's a system designed for diversification as well as sustainable growth. But this is not about XRP or anything like that, right? It's about joining a vibrant and supportive community where members lift each other up, collaborate, and grow together. So every action you take here builds momentum, open opportunities, and set you on a path to long-term success inside our ZAB ecosystem. So let's kick it off with one of the fastest ways we can grow inside of the ZAB Club, and that is our direct bonus. Every time you introduce someone to ZAB, you earn 8% of their contribution. It's instant, transparent, and rewards you the moment you take action. Here's some quick examples. Someone that joins you with a 1000 XRP package, you earn 80 XRP. If you bring in 3 of your best buddies and they join with a 2000 XRP package each, well, you just earned 480 XRP instantly. Now, just make sure that you're within your earning cap so you can receive full commission. And as you consistently bring in active members, the direct bonus becomes a powerful, steady income stream, adding momentum and real growth on top of your personal earnings. It's simple, it's fast, and effective. One of the quickest ways to create wealth inside a ZAB Club. Now let's cover one of the most powerful passive income feature in ZAB Club, and that is our level income. Now ZAB uses a uni-level system that pays up to 20 levels deep. This is how the levels are actually distributed. Now level 2
you will gain 2%. Levels 3 to 6, you'll have 1%. And levels 7 to 20 is 0.5%. Now, each direct referral unlocks a new level, but also upgrading your package or coming at a certain package, right, unlocks even more. So this is quickly and efficient. Now, you don't need to bring dozens of directs just to unlock this full structure, like I just said, right? So here's how the packages unlock those levels. With a 500 XRP package, that opens up level 2 alone. 2000 XRP will give you 10 levels straight off the bat. 5,000 XRP is 15 levels, and with 10,000 XRP and above, you're looking at all 20 levels. Now, this structure allows income to grow far beyond your own personal effects. With smart team building and the right package, level income becomes a scalable, steady earning stream powered by collaboration and consistency. It turns your network into real momentum, helping you unlock your full potential inside a XAB Club. Now let's break down the team bonus. This is another powerful earning feature inside a XAB Club. This bonus pays you based on your total XRP your organization produces, and as your team grows, your rank and earning percentage rise with it. You begin at Ambassador 1 with 6% and progress through the ranks. And you can progress like to Ruby 10%, Diamond 12%, all the way to our Prestige level, and that is Crown Diamond at 15%. Now, to qualify for this amazing bonus, you need to start with a 500 XRP active package or packages that's single or accumulative, and then also a combination of 1000 XRP from your overall team across your top 3 organizations or more to start earning from the team bonus. And this will create a balanced structure with no single leg that can exceed 1/3 of the total volume. And that's very important to take note. Now, ranks run on a 90-day rolling cycle, rewarding consistent leadership and team development. The team bonus isn't just income, it's leadership, depth, and long-term scalable success. The stronger your organization becomes, the higher you rise. Now, we can also look at our renewal bonuses, and this is another strong passive income booster in the XAB Club, right? Every time someone in your team renews their package, you earn all applicable bonuses again. Direct bonus, level income, and team bonus that we just spoke about. This allows your earnings to compound and grow, with potential returns reaching up to 400%. Now, renewals keep your network active and your income flowing long after your initial referral. You're not just earning from new members, you're benefiting from the continued engagement and commitment of your entire team. Now, it's a system built to sustain, multiply, and accelerate your income as your organization grows. And finally, you have an opportunity in your first 30 days at XAB Club. You have the chance to earn from the Fast Start bonus. Rewards are designed to recognize quick action and momentum right out of the gate. Now, if you reach Ruby, you get to take home an Apple headphone. You hit Sapphire and an iPhone is yours. Achieve Diamond and you earn a 10-gram gold bar. Set up to Black Diamond and a luxury Rolex is waiting. And if you reach Crown Diamond, which I know everyone on this call will be, and you get to claim a Patek Philippe. Now, these are real and tangible rewards for real effort. Hit them within your 30 days, and not only do you set your growth on fire, but you also enjoy luxury along the way, showing that early action pays off in more ways than one. All right. Well, that pretty much brings us to the end of our compensation plan. I'm going to leave Avora Markets to the infamous Magda, but look, she's going to bring in a gold and a half. So thank you again for listening in, and we'll join you a little later in the presentation. So thank you again. Back to you,
Thank
Ash.
you very much, Queenie. Thank you very much for the short and sweet presentation. As ZAB is our backbone where people make double income, and Forex trading is going to be millions, guys. So let me introduce you to the amazing, the Woman of the Year for Forex, the first place, the awards, and the top influencer in financial market, the amazing Magda. Over to you, live from Dubai office, where we are at the moment. Thank you, Magda.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, every one of you, wherever you are in the world. We guys are super excited, and we are growing like a crazy. And like Ash said, we just got our award 2 days ago. You can see here. We've been recognized as the best global forex broker of 2025. Yes, 2025. So we are not just in the top 100 brokers, but at the same time, we are also the best one. I myself also got awarded as a best financial influencer in 2025. So it's been an amazing journey, and we really super excited about our journey, and collaborating with XAB and having this great collaboration. I know many of you are very new, and you know, guys, the forex industry is just growing every single day. It's 9.9 trillion dollar is trading every single day. And imagine yourself being involved in this industry, how this can change your life, and not just only your life, but all your families and generations life as well. And at the same time, we also provide education, which is totally free. You no need to pay anything. And also we are introducing our master traders, great traders who has done really good performance in the past. And those traders, they are not on any salary. They are just doing their best to make perform best, that people can also copy their trades. That's what is the power, and that's how they make their performance fee, by charging performance fee. And today we have an amazing great trader who has long years history in FX what was the name? FX Pro, and also he FX book, and he also will show you guys all his strategy. He will talk about his strategy, how he has built all this history, and how he is performing, which can be a really good beneficial for all of you by following him. So I want to invite our great trader. I can see he's here. Ash, if you can make a co-host the
He's
mine.
already co-host, Damien.
Yes. So let me introduce.
Perfect.
He's originally from Netherlands, and he has done really good in his past. And today he's one of our master trader in social trading platform, and he will go through about his strategy. Yes, Dimine, ready?
Yes,
Please,
perfect.
if you can introduce yourself.
So, hey guys, hi everyone. I hope you can all hear me. My name is Damien. I'm from the Netherlands, living all around the world, honestly. But now for the Christmas season, time to spend some time with the family in the Netherlands. So that is where I'm currently at. And yeah, I would love to take you on the journey that I've been on and the result that came out of it. So let me share my presentation. Let me see how I can actually do this. Let me just. This is not the one I want to share. 1 second, guys. Just need to get my presentation ready. All right. I hope you can all see my screen over here.
Yes,
Perfect.
we can see. Thank you.
Let me just disable this one here. Oh, sorry. So welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Arc Algo. This is my my own automated trading strategy, which I've been working on for the past few years. So who am I? My name is Damien from the Netherlands. I'm a trading enthusiast. I have been trading for the past 6-7 years, and I was fully passionate about technical analysis. Technical analysis I've been mainly studying the higher and the lower time frame combined, and this has made me very profitable in trading. However, there was always that one struggle that was there, which has been my emotions. And already a couple of years ago, I found out that, hey, there must be a way for me to automate my strategy into a system and for the system to work without me having to make any rational or emotional decisions. So that really put me on the path and the mission of creating trading results that come 100% without emotion. So Arc Algo has been born about 2 years ago now and fully live for more than a year. What is Arc Algo? Well, Arc Algo is being built on 4 main pillars. First, it continuously monitors the movement of the market. The system continuously tracks how fast and in which direction the price moves. And when a breakout happens on the market, it really, like when it occurs in one direction, it scans and the algorithm automatically will open the trade. There is an intelligent filtering, which means that it only trades during strong signals and optimal market timing, meaning it won't trade in New York, or like it won't trade outside of the New York and the London session. It won't trade with any news events because it's very keen to only trade in the most optimal conditions. All of the emotion has been taken away only by this, meaning that it follows data and fixed rules. There's no fear, no greed, no hesitation. The system only just opts in whenever the market really allows it to trade. So how does it trade? It honestly is the first thing it measures. There are 4 things it will measure, and all of these things combined, that will determine if the algorithm will place the trade. The first is its speed analyze. So it measures if the change and movement of the price. Then it will signal the validation of the price, check if the movement is strong enough, because sometimes it will create a false breakout and it will not continue, meaning the price won't be there. But if it goes above and will close around and the movement is strong enough, it will check if the timing also is together with it. And then boom, the algorithm will place the trade. This is honestly exactly the way I was trading before. But as said, emotions always took a toll of me. And I also want to have a system running when I am not in the best way of my life. Like sometimes I have days that I wake up and I'm like, not today is not the day, but I still would love to trade the market. And normally on these days, it were that I was making a loss. And this algorithm for me, it has been a optimal performance in which it enables me to also be able to trade on the days that I don't feel like trading. All right, so enough about the system. I'm going to talk some results with you guys. The system is honestly a very well set up plan. So the algorithm has been doing 10% monthly return. It's on the first on multiplier 1. Multiplier 1 means that it's the normal risk settings that I'm currently putting it on. 10% a month, it's a lot. Actually, it's 9.8, between 9.8 and 11. But average on all the data that I've been taken out from backtest plus live testing, it's 10%. There is a win rate of 70% across all the trades. So this doesn't mean that the 30% will lower the account. It's because the system works in a way that it could open multiple trades up to 6. Where out of the 6, it would win like 4 or 3, and then the other 2 would be in a loss. But because the other 3-4 trades that are open, they will cover the loss. So initially, you will be up like 1 to 2% with all the trades that are being placed. The max drawdown that we have seen for the last year, it's 9.8%. That is completely on live data, meaning the bot didn't put any more trades above this certain threshold of drawdown that the account is on. The amount of trades that this does, it does between 30 to 50 trades. So this is not a system that does hundreds or thousands of trades a month. It simply does 30 to 50, and normally they do like 4 or 3 in a sequence. So it will around trade 3 to 4 times each single week. Okay, we're getting to the advanced risk management. The advanced risk management of this system, there's a stop loss included. So there are hundreds, not even maybe even thousands of trading algorithms, trading systems offered online. And I honestly know I've experienced with all of these systems because I've been testing, trying many algorithms, and all of the algorithms have almost the same thing. They do not have a good stop loss. They either have a 50% drawdown maximum, or they just risk 100% of the capital. Well, I really didn't want to offer or have a system that does it like this myself. That's why I've been testing for the past few years to try what ideal position would be my stop loss. So the stop loss is the fixed stop. So the maximum loss the bot would ever be able to take is 16.9% right now. That is a hard stop. That stop has never been touched. So yeah, so far so good. The maximum drawdown, as I discussed in my previous slide, was 9.9%. Also, the good thing is when the bot has trades running and it will go into profit, the stop loss will be moved towards the entry position, meaning it will trail the stop loss to a certain small amount of profit, meaning that you will not have a loss. So it will have a risk balance protection, meaning all the trades that eventually will go back to the stop loss won't hit it because they will hit the break even. With each trade that is set, also a take profit is in place. So for each trade, you have a stop loss and a take profit, where on the take profit, the trade will automatically close in profit. The profit is always calculated exactly and is moved by each trade that is being placed. So the algorithm has a maximum of 6 trades that can be placed. With every new trade, also the take profit will move a little bit up higher, so that in the end it will still have the same amount of profit with all the trades combined. How does the bot knows how much to place the trades, like what account, like what amount it will have to use for each trade? Well, that is because the bot has a dynamic position sizing included. Whenever there is 1,000 on the account, 10,000, 100K, the bot knows how much position it will set with the same multiplier. So if you put it on one multiplier, it will only risk a certain amount based on the balance that is being placed. So what makes us different? I honestly already told you a little bit about it. Most bots have only equity protection. They have no real stop loss, high exposure, and no trailing protection. So what makes Arc Auto different? Honestly, it's a true stop loss at 60.9%. It's real protection. We are controlling risk, and we have a trading stop loss. So the trading strategy itself, this algorithm is not focused on all the pairs that are there. The focus is only on the euro against the dollar. Why is it only against euro against the dollar? It's because the euro against the dollar is a pair that is optimal for breakouts and clean retracements. Other pairs, especially like gold or crypto, they are sometimes shooting up to the moon and won't come back, where the euro against the dollar does have these small retracements which you need for this system. As said, it's a smart grid system. A normal grid will just keep on placing trades. Why do I call it a smart grid system? Well, that is because a smart grid system knows when to take a loss and also knows exactly when to take a take profit. So it will place consecutive trades, but only up until 6. And whenever it has the small retracement, it will close with the take profit. There is a news filter inside. You do not have to worry about disabling the system because all of that has been done automatically, and it directly has a link, an API to one of the news websites, meaning that we can always scan for any big news that's coming out. The multiplier that's scalable. So I know a lot of people are like, okay, we would like to have a little bit more risk, because for me, 9.8% of maximum drawdown that has been seen the last year is still very low. Then for sure you still have the scalable multipliers. You could put it on 2 or even on 3 multiplier, but of course that is all to our risk. It's not something I would advise, but it's just something that is possible with this trading strategy. So why it works? Honestly, there is no emotional decisions. The system trades objectively without fear or greed, fully automated, no need to check news, no need to place stop loss, no need to close trades yourself, because there's always those protection that has been built in. There's a consistent execution. Every trade follows the same proven rules and criteria, and honestly, these have been working for months and months and months, so there's no need to change. And also, all of the data that has been implemented, it's not only from the past year, it's been based on 5 years of data, and all of the data that is, as you can see, it's data that really speaks for itself. This was the presentation. I hope I didn't went through it too fast. I hope you all had a good idea about what Argo was. And yeah, let me know if there are any questions.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Damien. That was very short and sweet. I mean, that's what we like. We like to see the results. Most important thing is we need your name on the Forex trader. So, what's your name you are under so people can know which to follow. So, can you just tell what's your name under the trading bot, please?
Under the trading bot, what exactly you mean?
The social trading. If they want to follow you, which one are you on?
Okay, I'm on the ARC Algo. So ARC Algo. This is the one. Yeah.
Okay. So, guys, if you want to follow Damien for this amazing thing, you can follow Arco. The most important thing is, guys, now everybody probably saying, how do I become a part of this amazing trading platform? This is where Zab comes in, guys. Okay. How to register? Zab, when you register on Zab and when you are a part of Zab, from your entire network is copied to Forex Trading Avora. You don't need to re register again. You have to go through your back office, and from your back office, you can activate Zab and start earning straight away. You can also withdraw your ZAP profit to Avora Markets, and they give you an extra 20% on your credit for trading bonus. So this is win-win for everybody. We have the both of the worlds. People who want to do both, they can do this. And the most important thing is you don't have to do anything about it. Okay. Your network is 100% copied over. So, guys, talk to your uplines. We update everything on the groups, and whatever you need, if you need help, please let us know and we can guide you through training sessions. Now, guys, if anybody wants to have any questions, please raise your hand. I will unmute you. Only ask question about trading and Avora. So let me leave it with you. Please raise your hand if anybody wants to ask any questions. We are here and we're here to help. So the room is open, guys. Raise your hand, please. And this is where you ask your questions. Okay. So we have Anthony Bryant. So before you ask any questions, guys, please come onto camera. And after you come onto camera, I will make you a co-host. So let me see, co-host Anthony, welcome. Please fire away with your question, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, Damien, great presentation. Is that 10% per month or annually?
That is 9.8% per month.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, that is currently what it's doing.
All right. Thank you. I definitely will follow you. I appreciate it.
Perfect. No harm.
Thank you very much. See, I mean, it's easy. I mean, we are not 100% most people are not 100% experienced in forex trading. You can do your own trading, and we will have more educational educations. But ask your question. All right, we have the great Dr. Marty from America. We miss you, Dr. Marty. This is one of the legends of the industry in network marketing and forex. Dr. Marty, over to you.
Hey, thanks, guys. I hope you guys are having a great Christmas. I wanted to mention, is this a secondary program inside the family, or is this part of it? I mean, is this a new? Yeah,
No, it's the secondary program. You probably weren't there. It is
Right.
exactly the same. It's the secondary program. People have choices. So your network, as I said, when you register in XAB, your network is automatically copied into the
Okay.
Avora system, 10 levels. And you can activate through profile via back office. And there's 10 levels of IB commissions where when the traders trade per lot, you get up $15 on 10 levels. So to become a part, to open the 10 levels, you have to have a minimum of $1,000 on trading.
Okay.
And after you can open the trading. And for first time deposit, talk to your uplines. There was a special promotion, that is already gone. But when you withdraw from ZAB to Avora, you get extra 20%. Like, for instance, let me make it clear. If you withdraw from ZAB 1000, 10% is taken away on your withdrawal fees. Okay, so you get 900. But when you withdraw directly to Avora on your back office, Forex, when you open your account, you will get 900 plus 200 extra credit for trading. Okay, this is not withdrawable, but you can make profit, okay, out of that. So, guys, this is what it is. So, any other, Dr. Marty, any other questions, or we move on to the
Hi,
next
Ash.
one?
Hi, Ash.
That was
It's
it.
Gail.
Thank
I
you.
have a question.
Oh,
Thank you.
yes, Gail, over to
Hi.
you. One
You
of
know
the
what?
angels.
I guess as a host, it wouldn't let me raise my hand, but I'm so excited with this Avora because, I was all in with XRP, which is going great. And then when we added this second income stream, I know nothing about Forex, but I wanted to learn for so many years. But the fact that it is just automated, I'm excited to say I've made money. So, and it's a lot of money in such a short period of time. But my question to Damien is, I am following a different trader. It's so nice to meet you, Damien. But am I allowed to follow two traders? Or do I just open another social account? Is that how that works?
Yes, you can follow many traders, many
Awesome.
different traders of
Okay.
possible, and you can divide your capital into five, six, seven. What we advise, there's a lot of traders in the back office where they have 400%, 300%. Okay, they are very volatile, guys. If you want to take a risk it for $100. Okay, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So, my strategy is, I mean, Damon will tell you what the strategy, but obviously he's one of the master traders, so he can't look into other people's baskets. My strategy is if you have $1,000, put 100 in high risk, and then another 200 in medium to low risk, and the rest on low risk. Okay, so you could go through traders, although we cannot name the traders because it's not fair on other people. But this is the strategies. Damien, I think you want to say something.
Yeah. I think also if you really fancy the risk and you still want to have a little bit of know-how where the risk is, you could always put a 4 multiplier on the ARC algo. I have been playing around a bit with the system. I put it on one of my own accounts with a multiplier of 5. As said, I'm not recommending anyone to do so. I cannot offer any financial advice. But if you want to have a risk, you could also multiply the risk of this system with 3 or 4, where right now it does 9.9% at 10% on a 1 multiplier. So on a 4, it will do 40%. Again, it's a very high risk, but if you do like the risk, and I'm just going to leave it here.
This is, I mean, guys, guess what? We are here to make serious money. No risks, no gains. So high risk, high return, guys. So about the multiplier, when you set up your system, this is another thing. So you have 1.1, 1 against 2, 1, 1 against 2, 1 against 3. So in your view, which is the best one to do the leverage? 1.1, 1.2, 1.3? Can you let us know, please?
Yeah, I would really for start, I always recommend people to get a little bit of a know-how on how the system works. I don't want people to go too quick. Make sure to trust the system a bit, see how it performs. Try it 1 month, try it maybe 2 months, see that it actually performs the way it should. As I'm telling, because what I'm telling you guys would see the same results. So try starting with one, and then whenever you feel confident, you can always put it on two. Three already you will get a lot of more risk because yeah, the maximum drawdown has been that's what we have seen is 10%, but meaning that if you put it on three, the maximum drawdown would be around 30% that we have been
Wow.
seeing. Yeah, but three, a multiplier of three will also generate 30% of profit. So that's a way, it's a way to go. It's just your own preferences. While I would say start with one, get a little bit of trust in the system, and then see after 1 or 2 months.
Sure. A lot of people who doesn't understand this, these are the technical questions. We've seen a lot of people lose money as well because they put 1.5, 1 point something on the back leverage. I would not recommend this from my personal view. As Damien said, he is the master and he said try 1.1, don't get too greedy, and then you can risk it a little bit more. Okay. A lot of
Correct.
put in already, we know 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, $100,000 in the back office. And the more money you have, you take less risk. Okay. Because don't get too greedy. This is, that's why we have traders here who are educating us. Okay. So,
Exactly.
okay, guys, any other questions, please? Please raise your hand because we have our CEO, Dr. Jack Van Muller, is here as well, and he's going to be sharing with us a lot of things. Any other questions? Raise your hand. Meanwhile, there's a lot of exciting stuff coming about Avora, guys. There is, I'm not going to tell you, there is so many things coming up. We have our event for ZAB on March 26, 27, 29 for Diamond Retreat. It's going to be an extra 3 days. So don't miss out, buy your tickets. And after that, May 16th, I'm not going to be, it's not official. Okay. We're discussing in the Avora office. We might have an amazing expo with Avora in Vietnam, guys. So get ready. And there are qualifications, and it's very, very easy qualifications. Everything is coming out. We set it up this for life, guys. And people will make huge, huge amount of money with this trading. It's never been done before. Guys, any other questions, please let us know. Damien, do you want to say a few words? Then we will hand it over to Dr. Jack Van Muller, our CEO of ZAB. And if you want to reshare your name again. Thank you.
Yes, sure. So again, thanks everyone for listening to the small presentation. I hope I've been giving you enough of the info. This won't be my last time on one of these presentations. I will be back somewhere the next few months. Again, I want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas from this point, and good luck with the rest of the presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And me as well, from our side, from Ash, from Tiger, from Shweta, everybody, because the next time we're going to meet it's going to be past Christmas. Have a very, very amazing Christmas from the thing. And I would like to invite Dr. Jack Van Muller to come and say a few words and wish all the community taken from there. Our CEO, the entrepreneur, the mastermind, the quantum specialist who devised this program. Welcome to the Zoom call. Dr. Jack Van Muller, over to you.
Hi, Ash. Thank you for your kind words. I do want to say that you and Tony are really examples for the company. You are devoted, you are focused, the knowledge is really at a high level, not just about Avora, but about ZAB. And I think you two are wonderful additions to the company. And now I do start to understand why you have both have become legends, because you both are very focused. You get things going, you achieve results, and I think that's a wonderful example for everyone. So I think we're now heading into the season, festive season, the holidays. Some of you are Christians, but even the Muslims respect Jesus. So this is the birthday of Jesus. Christmas coming up. So things are a little bit slow at the moment, but looking back, I think we achieved really amazing results. Our user base is growing by the day. When we did the event in Barcelona, we were proud to say that we achieved more than 20,000 members. That number is already much higher. And besides partnering up with Avora, we are working on new diversifications of the company, things just as big as how we partnered up with Avora. We have some similar things coming up in the next couple of months. We are making huge capital investments from the company, and we are building some really big things. Just as how we did with Avora, we are doing at least two other things that are of similar size. And once we really achieved the foundations of this, we are doing it right now behind the scenes. We will really cement our position in the market. We will again show to everyone that we are here to stay, that we are reinvesting the money, and that we are doing amazing things. And we are doing it all together because we can have a great corporate team, we can have good management, but in the end, it's the people that are representing the company that are making the cold sales and the cold calls to new people. We are building it together. So I think we are, even though we are working in an industry which is damaged and everything, and even with network marketing, I was skeptical at first. But the company is much further than I ever expected that we would come. So I'm very, very proud what we achieved in a very short time span. Everybody is focused. We are working very hard. Also on Thailand, we are working on. We made the deposits for the venue. It is going to be an amazing event. I'm truly astonished by the pictures I saw also of the venue. I think you get so much value for your money. Even if you just look at the hotel, it's one of the best places it's one of the best places there, so in Thailand. So you get not only a beautiful stay for the Diamond Leaders, a beautiful retreat with a lot of activities, but it's going to be a huge event, and we're going to all be together. And I think the family feeling we created in Barcelona, I think we're gonna have a similar feeling again, but the family will be much bigger this time. And we will all be there, and it will be again an opportunity for people that are just starting out with us, people that are maybe just for the first time in their life selling a product. You can meet people like Tony, like Ash. You can meet all these big leaders that have proven track records, that know how to sell a product, and not just about selling, but successful people in life. And we all get the chance to spend time together. You can exchange numbers. Everybody's willing to help you out, even though they're maybe from different teams. So there's so much things going on, a lot of trainings there on highest level from industry professionals. Then also gonna have just great dinners, good times. And we're going to unveil a lot of new products from the company. So the focus is really, we've been now in this last month or two. It was like, okay, now we have Avora Markets. We polished that. The integration is getting smoother and smoother. But at the same time, it's not coming to sort of like a standstill. Behind the scenes, we are working on some huge things, just as big as how we opened with Avora Markets. There are at least two different things coming of similar size. So we are really building a XAB Club family empire. I think everybody who is with us from the beginning has a major chance to change their life. You are with the right people at the right opportunity. We are reinvesting the money, definitely not going away after a couple months. And we are attracting only more and more users. It is going great. So also I want from the whole corporate team and the whole management and the people that are not there, I want to, and also customer service, IT, the people that are not seen and behind the scenes, we all wish you a very happy Christmas. We look forward meeting you. And definitely happy holidays to everyone all over the world. I know we have people that spanning 6 continents, all these different languages. So yeah, amazing results. We're just getting started. We are working in a dry market, and even though the market is dry, we are attracting so much success. It's really going well, and I'm very astonished and surprised. And I really want everyone to take a look at Ash and Tony on their devotion, their loyalty. They're really working for Zap. And even though I was never a network marketer, in just this short period of time, I see that definitely a lot of people, they say they work for one company, but then on a status update on WhatsApp, I see they're pushing 10 different companies. And then I see, all right, the network industry probably has been damaged by that as well. People not being loyal, people not being focused. And I never saw successful people in life, like really successful people that were not loyal. So take a look at these great leaders working all together in one company. Take their example. They are disciplined, they are focused, they are doing the right things, and they all work together. And they're there for you to help. You can approach Ash. Just ask for his number. That's not a problem. These people are there to help you as well. So we're all together in this, and let's work towards 2026. Major innovations coming very soon, more to be announced. So yeah, very excited. And back to you, Ash.
Thank you very much, Dr. Jack Muller. Merry Christmas to all
Merry
our Zab family, from everyone. Let me show you something, guys. What Tiger does to me. I've been on the road trip for the last 23 days, okay? Tiger, so dedicated, he doesn't sleep, he doesn't let me sleep. Okay, every half an hour he wakes up and say Zoom call. This leader, look at it, look at him. He's sleeping. He just woke up now. He just woke up now because he's so tired.
Hi,
That
Tony.
this is what you, Tony Jack. This is what you call dedication, guys. I mean, look at James. We are tired, but we have another 5 or 6 Zoom calls going on non-stop, and we are building the foundation of everything. No one's gonna send you Telegram group, guys. Please join WhatsApp. Please, thank you very much. I have shared the WhatsApp group link on the system. This is where the main action happens. So please join the WhatsApp groups, please. Okay. Telegram, we are not too much active on Telegram. So this is our personal group, Power Teams. Please join that. All the latest activities will be updated over there. So guys, the group has been shared on message. Please, please, please join the group if you want the latest updates. Thank you. Okay, let's hand it over to a few of our top leaders. First of all, let me hand it over to the amazing Queenie. The dedication from Queenie is just on another level. And the second angel, Robin Chamberlain, these ladies, Lisa Christmas, these ladies are on another level, guys. Queenie, over to you first, then Robin, then we'll go to Lisa Christmas. And no, before we go there, can I just re-invite Magda? I thought she has gone. She is tired. She's one of the hardworking person I have ever seen in the entire company. Hard work brings results. Hard work brings, security, safety. Magda, are you here? Can you come back and say a few words? Let me see where she is. Magda? I think she's traveling today to Sweden for Christmas. She'll come back after. Let me hand it to Queenie first, and then Robin Chamberlain. Queenie, over to you. Are you there?
Thank you, Brother Ash. And yes, thank you to everyone, especially our CEO that just said a thing or two. But look, we're in here because we are absolutely dedicated. Loyalty is
Hi,
number one
Queenie.
in
Hi,
my
Queenie.
book.
Just want to say hi personally to you.
Hi, Jack. Oh, thank you so much, Doc. You've been amazing in the backdrop and the system that we've collaborated as a community. It's nothing like I've ever seen in network space altogether. And I've been in the space since 2015. So it's a real pleasure to be locking arms with our leaders here, Ash and Tony, and also my Zab angels, my sisters from another mother. We've been working tirelessly on our presentation and whatnot. And we've also got brothers coming in, Tad with Urshad and Al Medina. Hopefully we'll get them sparkling as well. But, everyone here has their talents, their own reasons for being in business alone. But I've got to tell you, that you are an entrepreneur, you are a CEO of your own business, and your destiny is in your hands. And that's up to you whether you want to be dedicated, and through that, you'll be consistent. And I tell you, the results will come naturally. So be yourself, don't be anything that no one else is telling you to be. Just be your natural self. When I talk to people, I just talk to them as I am. What you see is what you get. And if you're real like that, your business will get real results. So, Merry Christmas to everyone and Happy New Year's. Greetings from Down Under. We absolutely love it, but I'll hand it back because I know.
Thank you, Queenie, the most dedicated person in the team. Let's go to Robin Chamberlain.
Awesome.
Sweet and short. We've got too many people to go through. Sweet and short.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
go.
You got it. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Dr. Mueller, it's great to see you again. I just wanted to say that my purpose in life, I know it from it's a God-given purpose, is to help people. And when I had an opportunity to talk to people about this platform, that is what I see. It's an opportunity to change people's lives. So coming from sunny Florida, where Mickey Mouse land, just wanted to let you know, everybody have a Merry Christmas. But look at the platform because it helps you and others.
Thank you very much. Nice. Let's go to from all the way Florida to Hollywood Queen. Lisa Christmas, another angel.
I
Let's
love
go.
you guys, man. I'm so honored and blessed to be here. Love your hat, Robin. Come on, let's just go. This is your opportunity. We're so excited. And this is just every day is a better day. Every day is Christmas, right? So just come on board with us. This is the real deal. I was serious about this opportunity. Flew to Barcelona, met everyone. These guys are real. There's so many goofy things out there. This is a solid business. Treat it like a business. It's going to pay you like a business. So we're here. We're here for you. We're a team, and we're actually a huge family. So we'd love to have you, and welcome back.
Thank you very much, Angel. As okay. Now let me just get back to the most amazing network. Our brother of ours. We started the company together. Okay, and he was the first person to put in all the money. Showed us the way on the first day. The mastermind, we call him the Bitcoin boss, Malik Amir, the greatest networker we have worked with. Malik, over to you, my brother. Are you there?
He might have just slipped off, bro, from just internet interference.
All right, so internet interference. Okay, so what we'll do now, let's go, we've done everything. Let's hand it over to Eshad first, then on to Al Medina. Some great people over there. Let me see if Eshad is here anyway. If not, you can raise your hand, guys. If you want to say a testimony, we can do it for you. But let me hand it over to Al Medina. One of them amazing entrepreneur. Let me make him co-host and we'll take it from there. And I'll mute if anybody wants to say anything. Any testimonies we hear. Al Medina, over to you.
Thank you, Ash, and thank you everybody for being here and participating for this day where we learning some more information about Avora Markets and how everybody is coming together and collaborating with XAB Club. So this is a perfect time for everybody to be on this call every day, right? And joining the community here and becoming part of something much bigger. So guys, I'll keep it really short here. So I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Have a great holiday with your friends and family. And let's keep rocking, man. We're having fun. We're enjoying earning some money, right? From 2 different platforms. And let's keep rocking, guys. Thank you, Ash.
Thank you very much, Al Medina. Let's go. Anyone else want to say anything? Please raise your hand because there's a lot of people and we are doing a lot of stuff. So please raise your hand or you can unmute you. Gail, over to you.
I cannot not say anything about this. First of all, Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy holidays. I have to tell you, I'm having so much fun helping my team. You know what? The greatest feeling is when somebody calls you up, one of your team members, and I'll just highlight one of them. Her name is Christina. She called me yesterday. She's like, "I'm Ambassador 5. How do I get to 10?" And I'm like, "Oh my God, let's make a plan." And so that is so much fun. And then, when you think about it, when you help people go up, you go up too. And we hear Sweta talking about the diamond retreat, and you know what? All the members on my team, we're all going for diamond. So I just want to let everybody know this isn't just making money for ourselves; it's helping other people. And then our mission is to spread the love and the joy and the wealth to everybody in the entire world as much as we can reach. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, the room is, you can unmute yourself on your own. If anybody wants to say, please, you can unmute yourself. We are here. I've let the room open. Meanwhile, let me give it to my brother. He's so tired. Although he's tired, he is going to say, the great Tiger Tony.
Hello, guys. Hello. Yeah, I'm so excited, man. When you get up, you got to say to yourself, I'm excited for life, right? Life is all about excitement, right? So I know some people sleeping, some people's zombies, some people's who are, half dead. Hey, bro, I have one purpose in my life. It's all about what? Make how far I can reach to what? My maximum ability. You guys, we made a lot of money, but you know what? It's not about money now. It's all about how much far I can go. God give it. Great gift. 2 hands, 2 feet, brain to make it, right? 2 feet to get destination, 2 hands to make it, head to what? Get idea, make things happen. So if I can make it, everybody can make it. You know what I'm saying? Guys, let's rock. This is going to the next level, and we have such a powerful people here. I know we have Mr. Silas is raising his hands. Brother, Mr. Silas, what's going on, man? How's it going on, Africa? What's going on? Oh, he cannot. I see mute. Also,
No, they can unmute themselves.
okay. All right. Anyway, guys, let's go, man. Don't stay same every day. Be different. Be somebody. Be special. Don't be a regular person, guys. I want you to be special, get special result, and special performance, and special attitude. Let's go. Let's rock.
Right. The room is open. You can unmute by yourself. Okay. Please, if anybody wants to say something, please come in, unmute yourself. We'll take it from there. Room is open. GoPro, Mr. Silas, you can unmute yourself. Okay, hold on a second.
All right, guys.
Hold on a second.
Thank you guys so much for your hard working. I just want to assure you guys that we have the right baby into our room. We need to push it and push it seriously, because there's not any other business that we are going to do by next year. You can go outside there, you will find yourself in all sorts of nonsense. You'll find yourself in all those scams. You will find yourself into something that you're going to regret. So every single day, I am always doing meeting after meeting. Why? Because I know where I am going. I have some of the leaders here that I've been working with them, that side. And I have been pushing this business. And what I want to tell you guys, I want you to write down your plan for next year. Are you going to jump in other scams, or you are going to focus on this right business? I wish you all the best. And remember, hard working comes with what? With sweat. All the best.
Thank you very much. The great Mr. Silas taking over domination of Africa. As we say, we're dominating the world. Mr. Silas is dominating Africa, guys. Guys, the room is unmuted. If somebody wants to come and say a few words, you can do that. Make a resolution for New Year. Everybody, make a target. I want to achieve that. Only with a target, everything is possible. Only with a mission, everything is possible. Without target, there's nothing in life. Who wants to say anything? Room's open. Okay, if no one wants to say anything, we are traveling, guys. Next 2 days, we're going to be traveling all over the world, China, Japan, and everywhere.
Excuse me.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm here in Texas. I want to say, Nitai Gaura Premanandi Radhe Syam. It means in Sanskrit, God bless everyone. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and thank everybody putting your head to be a trillionaire, man. Don't settle for less. Be a trillionaire, at least trillionaire. here in Texas. Nitai Gouda Pramanandi, Govinda Hari. Thanks. Bye.
Well done. Anyone else wants to say anything? Other than that, Merry Christmas, guys. We will see you after Christmas, maybe in a couple of days' time. But the CEO calls are gonna happen in Christmas. Is Shweta there or they have left?
Oh,
Maggie has left.
Yes, hello. My name is Patrick Lord Capello from Uganda.
Congratulations.
Yes, and I'm so glad to be part of this innovation. This project is quite amazing, XRP to the moon, and I'm so grateful to have this amazing project and doing it now for 2 to 3 weeks. The project is quite amazing, and I'm building my team. It's coming to 100 people, and I want the top leaders, the management, to give a support around us here in Uganda. We give a support, put an office
My
so
friend,
that
we
we
talk
can
about this
lead
later
all
on,
over
okay?
Africa.
Thank you very much. Support, so everybody has to make their own destiny. This is the team, okay? If we are human, if we are hardworking, we'll do our own thing anyway. So, guys, congratulations. If anybody wants to say anything else, please come over and say something. Let's rock this business. Remember, guys, this is not a Ponzi. This is the real deal. And if you want to earn, you have to work hard. Okay? We have hands, we have feet, we have brains, and we can become a millionaire if we want to be. We do not rely on anyone else, and we don't like to rely on anyone else. Thank you very much, guys. All the best. Amazing things. If no one else outside, congratulations. Let's go. Stand up.
All right, guys. We woke up. Let's go. Let's rock it. Let's go. Hey, let's make the next level. If you ask for next level, that's what you become. So no halfway, all the way. Let's. Oh, by the way, El Medina, Ed, you guys are looking good, man. I'm a 4 Rocket. We are global powerhouse. All right, let's rock it up. See you guys. Bye bye. Hey, Damon, what's up, man? Are you ready?